So, your computer feels a little cluttered, or maybe you just don't need Python anymore. What happens when you try to remove it completely? Stick around, because in this quick tutorial I'll show you step by step how to uninstall Python in Windows 11. First, we must check if Python is already installed on our computer. To do that, open the command prompt and type Python version. If Python exists in your computer, you'll see the version number displayed. You can also check it using the Windows search option. As you can see, here we already have Python 3.13 installed. So, how do we remove Python from this computer? To do that, click on the Windows Start menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Apps. Then, select Apps and Features. You'll now get a list of all installed applications on your computer. Scroll down until you find Python. When you find Python, click on the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. The uninstalling process will begin now. Python has been successfully removed from this computer. Also, don't forget to remove the Python launcher the same way. As you can see, Python is no longer listed among the applications on this computer. But we're not done yet. Let's remove Python completely. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows +R on your keyboard. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Locate the Python folder inside this directory. If you find a Python folder here, just delete that folder. Next, go to your C drive and open Program Files, x86. If you see a Python folder there, delete it as well. And that's it! This is how you can remove Python from your Windows PC, especially in Windows 11. Like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one.